funny noises. I think she's calling her mother. I think that's what it is, you know. It's kind of like... See what she's doing. Oh, you've gone back in your house, huh? Are you eating something? Hey, little dude? Go on, you do it. You've got hard-boiled egg, tomato, Weetabix, kitty cat, you checking the plumbing? Hey! You making yourself at home? Well, that's the funny sound I heard when I heard this strange creature outside, and I wondered what it was. But now it is clear it is you. And I think you're calling out for Mama. Well, in that case, I think you're alright. And I think, you know what? I could put you back outside, couldn't I? Get those ticks off you. And I think that's what I'll probably do. Because you're looking alright, if you ask me. Yep.